Welcome back to See My Review. Today, I've got something seriously exciting for all the sneakerheads out there. I'm unboxing one of the most hyped drops of the year, the Jordan 1 Retro Low OG SP Travis Scott Olive. This pair has been making waves in the sneaker community, and I can't wait to show you what's inside this sleek, stylish box. Let's break the seal and dive right into it. Right out of the box, you're hit with that premium look and feel. This shoe is built with white leather and black nubuck on the upper, clean, classic, and edgy. But what really sets it off is that signature reverse swoosh in olive green. It's bold, unmistakable, and pure Travis Scott. The olive outsole paired with an aged midsole gives the shoe that vintage vibe that's super in right now. One of the best things about the sneaker is its versatility. You can rock it with almost anything. Whether you're pairing it with joggers, cargos, or jeans, these Jordans pull the whole outfit together. Plus, they're comfortable enough for all-day wear. Whether you're out on the street, at a show, or just flexing on your socials, these kicks will keep you looking fresh and feeling great. Alright, sneaker fam, that wraps up today's unboxing and sale spotlight. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to See My Review, and turn on notifications so you never miss a drop. I've got more heat coming your way very soon. Let me know in the comments. Are you feeling the Travis Scott olive lows? Did you cop from the site? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay fresh, stay laced, and I'll catch you in the next one. Enthusiast or a fashion lover on the hunt for high-quality gear without breaking the bank? Let me put you on to /Hifoot. Are you a top-tier destination that's quickly becoming a favorite in the streetwear community? This site offers an impressive selection of sneakers, from the latest drops to timeless classics, along with a curated range of fashion items that blend style, comfort, and authenticity. Whether you're into Jordans, Yeezys, Dunks, or designer collaborations, /Hifoot. Has something that'll match your vibe? And the best part? The prices are surprisingly affordable, making premium style accessible to everyone. What really sets /Hifoot apart is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Every product is carefully checked for authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the real deal. They offer secure payment methods, lightning-fast shipping, and a super responsive customer service team that genuinely cares about your experience. I've personally had a smooth, hassle-free experience ordering from them. From checkout to unboxing, everything felt premium. Whether you're copying your next grail or just looking to upgrade your fit, /Hifoot delivers big on style, trust,